Okay, this is a tutorial for Autodesk Inventor 2013 on how to create a work plane. Sometimes we create objects and we need to do a sketch in a place that Inventor doesn't want us to do one, and so we have to create a plane in order for us to be able to do a sketch on it. Now I'm going to go ahead and do just a quick sketch. I'm actually going to do just a circle and quarter and extrude that up, and an inch is fine. Alright, now we've got a sketch here, or a object here that we've extruded. Now if I wanted to go in and create a sketch on the side of this object, notice I clicked the button, I'm on the side, it's not letting me do it. I can go to either end and it would let me do a sketch, but it's not going to let me do one on the side because it doesn't recognize that face since it's rounded. Now if we go to plane, we can actually put in a plane on this object and be able to create a sketch on it then. Now we go to plane, go ahead and click it, and then in our taskbar over here where it says origin, there's a plus sign beside it. We're going to click the plus sign and it'll give us options for our planes. We've got an XY plane, we've got an XZ plane, and we've got a YZ plane. And you'll notice as you move your mouse over them, it changes the position of the plane. So right there's a YZ. It's essentially straight up and down in the middle of the object. The XZ is on the bottom of the object, and the YZ is facing you. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and do a YZ plane. Alright, now you'll notice it puts it basically right in the middle of the object. Now if you go and you take your mouse and you see the yellow dots here, the yellow circles, if you click it and hold down, now you can drag either way you want to with this and put it on the outside face of your object, and you'll notice it gives you your nice little dimension box that you could even type it in if you wanted to. But we got it to 0.125, which is on the outside of our circle, and we're going to hit the check mark. Now if you'll spin your object around, you can go to the isometric view and look at it. You'll see that there is now a brownish colored rectangle on the outside of your object. This is your work plane. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and create a sketch, and now we can click on our work plane and you'll notice it highlights a translucent color, and you click it and it will let you now create a sketch there. So we'll go ahead and do just a simple, we'll do a circle or something right in the middle, 0.125. Alright, and then we hit finish, and now we can go in and extrude, and we can cut that through, and now we hit OK, and now you've got a hole through your cylinder, but you've still got that nasty looking work plane there, which if you go to assemble this in something and you don't get rid of that work plane, it's actually going to keep showing up in your assemblies and in everything. So the way to get rid of it, over here in your taskbar, task menu, where you've got it says work plane, if you will simply right click on it and then go to visibility, you'll see it's got a check mark. If you will click on visibility, it takes that away, and then you can save this and go ahead and do your assemblies or whatever other sketches that you need to do in order to finish the part. And that's how you create a plane in Autodesk Inventor.